Hello, this is an example of one of the Ventura County's 3 quote-unquote standardized plans for ADU. This is the largest one. It's 1,188 square feet. It is 3 bedrooms. The county offers 3 plans. A lot of cities and counties are starting to offer some sort of plan, but the problem is you can't really change them very much. As you can see, it's a pretty vanilla style building, a single gable roof, does not have a lot of windows. Those are the 3 that go into the living room. It's all pre-engineered, so the idea is you save money and time in the plan checking process and for the cost of architects, engineers, etc. Here we can see it with the roof off. Living room, kitchen, open plan. Master bedroom with its own bathroom and walk-in closet off of the bathroom, which is a little bit weird. There is a hot water utility closet behind the bathroom there. Then there's a second bathroom for the other 2 bedrooms, the kids' bedrooms. This is showing wood floors, but you can obviously change finishes on the inside. You just can't really change any of the walls. One of the challenges is what the topography of your property is like. Is it on a hill? Does it face south? Does it face north? Are there trees? In the past, I have been able to flip a plan so that we could have the reverse of it, and I think you could do that. Reverse it side to side or front to back, but you can't change any of the walls or any of the structure really without basically starting over and getting new engineering. This is a slab on grade house, very simple, but might serve a purpose. The county offers 3 different quote-unquote standardized plans, kind of a Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and Baby Bear approach. The first one is the one that we just looked at. It's 1,188 square feet. And this is a rendering from the county. The second one is 900 square feet, and you can see here it is 2 bedrooms instead of 3, and it's a bit smaller. This is the rendering from the county. And the Baby Bear plan is 700 square feet. It has 1 bedroom. That's the smallest of the units. And it's rendering. So if those plans work for you as they are, it might be a good opportunity. If not, we can custom design one that fits to your specific property. Give me a call, otisbradley.com. Thank you.